exploring the top 5 largest stock markets in the world. The world's stock markets are a measure of a country's economic strength and investment opportunities. They provide a platform for companies to raise capital, and they offer investors a way to diversify their portfolios and potentially earn high returns. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 largest stock markets in the world based on market capitalization. Starting at number 5, we have the Tokyo Stock Exchange in Japan. As the largest stock market in Asia, the Tokyo Stock Exchange is home to over 3,500 companies and boasts a market capitalization of over $6 trillion. It is one of the most important financial centers in the world and a major hub for international investment. The Tokyo Stock Exchange is known for its strict regulations and high standards, making it a popular destination for both domestic and foreign investors. Next, at number 4, we have the Shanghai Stock Exchange in China. As the largest stock market in mainland China, the Shanghai Stock Exchange is home to over 1,300 companies and boasts a market capitalization of over $7 trillion. It is one of the fastest-growing stock markets in the world and offers investors access to a diverse range of companies in China's rapidly growing economy. Despite its growth, the Shanghai Stock Exchange faces challenges such as government intervention and lack of transparency, which have deterred some foreign investors from investing. At number 3, we have the Hong Kong Stock Exchange in China. With a market capitalization of over $8 trillion, the Hong Kong Stock Exchange is one of the largest financial centers in Asia and a major hub for international investment. It is known for its openness to foreign investment and its reputation for stability, making it a popular destination for investors looking to access the fast-growing economies of Asia. Despite recent political unrest in Hong Kong, the stock exchange has remained a key player in the global financial landscape. Coming in at number 2, we have the Nasdaq in the United States. The Nasdaq is known for its technology-focused listings and innovative trading systems, and it is home to many of the world's largest tech companies. With a market capitalization of over $12 trillion, the Nasdaq is one of the largest and most influential stock markets in the world. It is a major hub for international investment, and it continues to attract new listings from innovative and fast-growing companies. And finally, at number 1, we have the New York Stock Exchange in the United States. The New York Stock Exchange is the largest and most prestigious stock market in the world, with a market capitalization of over $21 trillion. It is home to many of the world's largest and most influential companies, and it continues to attract new listings from around the world. The NYSE is known for its strict regulations, high standards, and reputation for stability, making it a popular destination for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. In conclusion, the stock markets play a crucial role in the world's economy, and they offer investors a way to potentially earn high returns by investing in promising companies. The top 5 largest stock markets in the world offer a diverse range of investment opportunities, from tech-focused listings to fast-growing economies. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, it is important to understand the strengths and challenges of these markets to make informed investment decisions. Thank you for watching.